Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering down and disconnecting the keyboard, safety first. Once done, lay it on a non-static mat and remove keycaps with a key puller. This exposes the cable entry. You then unscrew the case screws, keeping fasteners organized by location, and gently separate the top plate from the bottom. Make sure to note screw lengths and any foam or gasket placement, because correct reassembly depends on restoring those layers, and the cable routing exactly where you found them. You now locate the internal cable connection. It may be soldered, clipped, or a ribbon. Identify which before you proceed. If soldered, heat and remove joints carefully, then desolder the old cable. If it's a clip, release the latch and slide the flex out. Once free, route the replacement cable along the same channel, avoid sharp bends, and secure the connector, resolder or reseat the latch. Make sure strain relief is in place so movement won't stress joints when you reconnect and test. You finish by reassembling the case. Align the top plate, reinstall screws in their original positions, and replace keycaps. Then reconnect the keyboard to your computer and run a quick typing test followed by a full key matrix check to confirm every switch registers. If keys are dead or intermittent, inspect solder joints and connector seating. Use a multimeter for cable continuity. If you see shorts or missing traces, reflow the affected joints or reseat the flex, and retest. Small fixes usually resolve most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.